Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look, but I'm going to be doing a contouring. So I already done my face and I'll be see you soon. Bye. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to contour because sometimes I know it can become a little confusing, but yeah, so today I'm gonna do that with my new palette called the Tarteist Pro Glow. So I'll be using this, and I did not do a tutorial before with this, but I did have a picture on my Instagram. If you go check it out, I did a little picture of it, a picture of myself using it, as I was on this membership of FabFitFun, and when the box, I got it and I just want to try it first. And on that day I took that picture, I tried it, and I love it. So I want to show you a little tutorial of it. So it just shows you a bunch different type of 4 highlights, 2 here and 2 there, and also 2 of the contour. And so this is the cream and the powder, and these 2 are the highlights. So I'm going to show you that, and I already put my foundation, my mascara, like all that stuff. So I'm just going to show you the contour, and it's pretty easy actually. And I know sometimes people can don't know how to do it, so I'm going to show you. And yeah, let's get to it. I'll be using so my brush, I'll be using e.l.f. Contouring brush. So I'll be going to use this for my contouring. So I don't know how to. Alright, so I'll be using a little bit of the cream. So what it is, it's gonna be right on top of your ear and going down where your cheek is. So, and also I'm gonna when I'm editing, I'm gonna show you where it go. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of in here, just a little dab of it. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the mirror over here. So, oh my god, no, I don't know. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you. So I'm gonna put the cream right here, and where my ear is, I'm gonna just go here all the way down. See? And I'm gonna do the other side. so now I'm gonna put more over here and here and a little bit on my nose. So I'm gonna put it so I'm just gonna do here. Put a little bit of it. And plus it's easier to do your nose if you have like trouble with it. Because with me, I do sometimes. I use my fingers for my nose and my eyebrows. So like today, I was using my fingers, just the outside of it. So, but okay. Back to this brush. So I'm gonna be putting over here and here a little bit, and a little bit over here, underneath my my chin. So where I'm going to go is using the edge over here, these two edge, and I'm just gonna pull it down a little bit, so it doesn't have that big huge contouring. So like it looks like from the brush, like going like this, like doesn't have to be like like this going down, because it's gonna be really huge, and so it's gonna be a lot. So I'm just gonna do like right in the edge of it, and I'm just gonna pull it down. So you feel like you're fine, then yeah. And now, time to play.
Making all the other guys stop and stare, but you'll be moving on. Baby, every time we touch, makes my heartbeat wanna rush. Can't believe that I'm the lucky one. You make me feel like a king every time that we're together.
So now I'm using the top going up. And still going up. And do my chin.
King every time that we're together. My love keeps getting stronger. I feel we.
So then when you want to really blend, what I use, because with this you can use it for just to sculpt it. So mostly what I use is this brush, and this brush I bought from online at Shein, and this is helpful for me. Sorry, my parents are home, so I'm just gonna do a really quick one.
No competition, just be yourself, that is your only mission.
For the highlight, I really enjoy it. I use the e.l.f. contour, highlight. You can see it. So I don't know what color I'm going to use, but okay. So I think I'm going to use the lid. So when you get this, it tells you different kinds of names of it. So I'm going to do the top one for my highlights. So usually I go from here and going here, but first usually I always go from here and going up. So just going back and forth when you feel like a success and you still want to keep that it. So yeah, so I just put so I'm just going to show you a little bit of it, and the rest I'm going to put and do in the other side, right? See, pretty. So I'm going to do from here going up, and go where my eyebrow is. Oh, pretty. It's really pretty and I really like it. So I would definitely recommend it. So to anyone that you have a little trouble with any contouring or any other foundation, just let me know in the comments below and which ones I normally use, because I do have a little trouble with foundation most of the time. So yeah, and so now I'm gonna do the other side.
Your secret, I go insane. Nothing beats it when you call my name. My love gets deeper with every day. You're a keeper, baby, worth the wait. You got that sparkle in your eyes, making all the other guys stop and stare, but you'll be moving on. Baby, every time we touch, makes my heartbeat wanna rush. Can't believe that I'm the love.
Okay, so I really definitely recommend it to anyone who really enjoys makeup and also want to try it. And so yeah, so right now I'm just gonna put my lipstick on and we're done. Hey, so I'm back. So right now I just did my lips. Oh, and plus I almost forgot my nose. Okay. And also I forgot, oh my god. And also you can also use the powder. Oops. The powder one, just a little set it off. So I just did the same way.
I feel we can make this moment last just forever. All night, I want some of that repetition. Ooh, girl.
Okay, so all you had to do is just put your finish spray and you're all set. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this look will great with anything that you're wearing going any places. And plus I will definitely recommend with the contouring palette, and hope you guys like it. Hope you guys subscribe And please check my closet check out Poshmark. I am selling a bunch of clothes and yeah, I'm selling my clothes, and I hope you guys follow me over there. And also what else? So yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.